How's Good day, guys. Welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video, we're talking about how to use Claude 3.5 artifacts for UI prototyping. So firstly, we initialize the coding engine. You can open up a fresh chat, space, and Claude to force the model to spin up a fully interactive prototype rather than spitting out a flat block of plain text code. Your initial prompt must explicitly dictate the structural and technical architecture. So we can just type in this actionable high signal command. You can use mine or come up with your own. Press send. So you can hit enter, and instead of dropping a massive wall of text into the main conversation thread, Claude will automatically open a dedicated high-performance split pane window on the right side of your screen called an artifact. The engine compiles the React script layers in real time, giving you live, clickable user interface canvas instantly. And also, guys, don't forget that you can refine the presentation layer. There you go, as you can see, our interface changed. So you can treat Claude like your local front-end engineer and feed your feedback straight into the main chat console. For example, you can use this prompt right here. So not necessarily this one. If there's anything that you don't like, you can always change it. But as you can see, regardless, we already have our ready project created by Claude. So yeah, guys, just create and craft a good prompt, send it. If anything doesn't fit, just edit later after the creation with the follow-up prompt. That's it for this one, guys. Pretty easily done. Enjoy as always.